man!
There, man. Everything good.
Boy, from the good girl to backside, you know, like, you can't let the yard, man.
We don't out the road again.
I can't tell like, yo, about 7 months now, I don't see any youth. I try to...
I know it's a long man, it's alright.
How long?
Around 3 months now.
No, man.
7 months, me there my yard.
Or 5 months?
No, man, that's 5 months. 3 months.
So, you say you plan to marriage?
I just feel like say time. A good time and I'm find the right girl.
You can't marry to somebody who can't breathe, daddy.
What do you mean by how you know that she can't breathe?
Remember sometimes somebody chair one time and she don't breathe.
She can't breathe, daddy. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. A man can't have picnic and he got a doctor. Doctor tell me the same thing. And he go buck up as he have picnic.
So you try your fight for nothing, can't breathe?
Me a shoot, yeah. Me a bust shot.
She pregnant? No, oh God! I lie at you.
Me tell you say nothing is impossible, daddy.
What?
I don't know what you're talking.
We shan't tell me.
No.
Oh God.
But you know my woman there.
I'm on dying there.
Yeah.
Don't you can't tell now.
Don't be like that. Because she wants to put them, but she have me.
Can't be that Amanda really pregnant, man.
What do you mean by you can't believe? Are you the one girl picnic?
Yeah, married, so we can't.
Exactly, so we have to you can't believe.
But you're trying for a long while.
You the one breathing?
Yeah. Why not? But you have to really ask yourself sometimes, is it mine? But
Is it, what is it?
no, nothing.
Let's say a while ago.
Huh?
What do you mean by for my picnic? She there a whole 3 months, she not go nowhere. She there on my right side. I must Jesus side up breed her, if I know me. What you talk about?
What's
Is it mine? I feel me picnic that.
No, we don't have, yeah.
You okay there just a do it. Don't sit and sit
No,
Don't not sit and sit there. This is this me now, can't say I know my youth.
No, because we have tried for a long time and it's a work out.
That's a you, maybe something wrong with you.
That's why I said, is it mine?
No! Listen, maybe something wrong with you, your boss be a blank. Miss fire shot, bow! You know there, what?
Can't see how I should look now.
We want to see a man. Tell me now.
I'm not coming here.
Tell me now. What you want to see her? You don't know if she look.
But
You don't remember how she look.
I say how long?
You have last memory.
A 4 months now since we see her.
You don't want no man to look for a woman.
Call her.
Because I'm
Call her. Manda!
Daddy, listen to man.
Yo.
Calm.
What's that man?
No, I mean, if me a call, man a call her, you come.
No, but yeah, man, that's up. I will call my while ago.
When me tell you say no man, he no come out and even hear my advice.
Pregnancy really pretty.
Come here, sir.
Pretty man.
Where you say no?
Pregnancy pretty man. You make him look good there now.
Yeah, she a get
I remember she did mark one time, man.
Right. When you did a bar, no me a bar, she a put on weight.
I said, go better man.
Yes. So we are going married and something now. Because we are start a family.
I start a family.
Yeah.
I
You're done with the wildlife.
I see.
You can't hold the wild out, me done with the wildlife now.
No, I'm not wild out.
Me a one burner now.
Well, at least you're one burner, me a no burner. I live alone.
So you say?
I live alone. So man, they're good.
Yeah, me alright.
Like what dash me do.
Go on inside. Go on inside. Where you at, Jackson?
No, that is my family.
No put no argument.
No, me not put no argument. Me say me like.
Where you say show go she that show? You know there so?
No, as in, we have friends long time and
Well,
she blocked me off of WhatsApp and everything.
I saw if you go, no man friend, no man friend.
So you tell her to block everybody?
Yeah, no man friend.
No, you're crazy, man. Just post up with her.
No, nah, do her. Everywhere she dem me there. So nothing can do her.
Wow.
If she there bathroom, I can kiss her girl. If this is
You can't so serious. You let me
that
say.
it? Me not trust woman nowadays. And me I watch her.
And mama say, daddy, you can't watch woman.
And my woman say can't tell me not to watch my woman. When your woman used to cheat and you never dare watch your woman, you could if you dare watch your woman, you don't know say she gonna cheat. If you dare open your eye them. Right? So when I watch my woman say nothing not gonna happen.
And not every woman you can watch because sometimes in life you have to love certain things you can't watch every woman.
Me I watch my woman and my woman have a problem with that. So boy,
So just
me trust my woman. But me just a watch her in case anything pull off. You understand?
man, I can't believe me, man.
Come have a woman case now. Come have a woman.
No, man, we don't know
You don't want to talk about woman with you.
we're not talking about her now, man, but she look fine, right? You know, round. Yeah.
Oh, yo,
Yeah.
don't make me get cross out there.
We figure.
What do you mean by woman fine?
I say neat, but oh boy.
Take is for you that girl. You're supposed to hear yes every memory. Every memory I want to hear yes.
Me try, you know.
Right?
Me try.
What do you mean by you try?
Yeah, me try.
Erase everything out of your head because she don't feel it anymore. She's mine now. I'm sure make it official.
Alright, empty yourself.
Alright?
Empty yourself.
And I don't want to tell you when I'm not there. I work 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock. So 5 o'clock, you can come here. Or before 9 in the morning, you can check me. But don't check me between them hours there. Because when I'm there, I don't want to tell me yard when I'm not there. Oh yeah, come say, you don't know when 5 o'clock?
9 hours.
You don't want to over here when I'm not there, right?
So you know what I say now. I'll leave tomorrow. Man,
Yeah,
yeah.
my friend, but I'm not trust.
No, me I tell her to me away.
We tell her say you're gone. Don't tell her say you're gone.
We just tell her last.
Me with...
Manda!
Come.
No, listen. Oh, yeah, move so daddy with a friend. No matter me here. Oh, yeah, move so.
Me no business. Because you give me a ring like you want her back.
Alright. No sorry.
Listen me. I mean when you talk one time. Right? Me know say you're ex-man. I know you used to good. But I mean have you now, right? Right? Exactly. So, you see when me not there, me don't want him over here. I'm a friend, but not even when me there, me don't want him here. If he not to come here. Because me don't want to have no farmer connection again. Because he just tell me say, you know, forget what I used to do in the past. So me don't want to know see eye to eye every day. Right?
Alright,
And if you come here again, do not come out there. If you say Amanda, when you see whatever you call you, do not come out there. If you don't hear me call you, do not come out there. You hear me say?
Alright, bossy.
Alright. So what you do? You smell something in the kitchen, what you cook? And I cook and you come out there and call you. What you do? What going between you and me? You still love him?
No.
So you left the pot and I come out there to him and then me call you. And when me call you, if you left where you do and come. Because me, you laugh. Me keep me again. Make it happen again. And you see what happens. Make it happen again. One thing you know, you go shop from man, realize I get lazy, you know. What them are doing in the city?
I forgot them in the chair.
What the on your mind? Are him the on your mind? Are him the on your mind that if you got to take a good amount of the city?
I have to give them on my mind.
What the on your mind then? Because you're not worried about nothing. Provide food, electricity, AC in a room. And me have to pay a current bill of 48,000 a month. You know, because they say you want cool down. The fan can't manage you. You want cool down. And because of the baby, me get your AC. A quote, what you call it? I wonder if you know that.
You never tell me that.
A quote, me take out it. Just because I want you comfortable. So, alright. Who put on this? Forget nothing in there again.
Cause
You're right here, so you're looking at the kitchen.
no, I
You know food?
choose to put past over who I cook.
I'm me a cook.
Oh. They're good different.
Yeah man, me alright so far. Just a little bit tired.
Then you grow though last time come over here so big. Like every day I come over here get bigger and bigger. As a
Because
kid,
every day I grow.
oh, me know. You say me never have a picnic from a barn, you know.
This is my first one.
So I wear snacks there, snacks there.
Every day you come over here and want snacks, yeah baby?
No, it's my love. I just love come over here because I be food over here.
Yeah, because my boyfriend provide them. So they might go over here. And remember we're pregnant and told me I feed fat.
But they hardly eat them. Stop when I say eat them. Sometimes I
feed
come over here and help eat them. Stop feed past snacks. They must eat melon and banana and them the something there.
That does somebody can't eat snacks too.
But you know this stack up a place of food more often because as I say I two you feed fam. You and the baby. And the baby eat enough.
And you too. 3.
Yes.
I look like I feed me, I feed you.
But I don't like say every day I come over here cause come take out and something them. You understand? Just take what I have you on here. Walk one big man. No say you just ask for.
And you may just ask her for come you want to see your family.
How am I doing now?
I could have waited
I
for
don't know
see her
how
for
you
now.
do. No, but your cousin.
That's the point.
You can't ask for your cousin, she come over here all the while. And she have only cousin we see her have. To come look for her.
I take care of her and something.
Exactly. Now come here, me say something to you.
And never big money I
And I'm not one person, I'm not
Fine.
Now
you take the money from here, you know.
You see, any day you come over here and pack your bag. You take up ramen, cup soup. Every little thing you see, I take up more stuff. You hear me say?
So wait there, me can see what I try to say. Me can come over here and take up 2 snacks out of my cousin place. I say I deal with man big man.
Listen me.
Remember say I'm me
Listen. Who buy them for? Your cousin. So who feed them? Your cousin.
So me
You
now
never buy them for you.
So hold on there, what you tell me say me where you
never
try
buy
to
them.
you tell me say me not come back over here. I run here try run away now.
Listen. Never say you can't come over here come eat if she cook, you know. If she half of enough food. But if she don't half of enough food, don't you dare pull that cupboard. Because of my money I spend. Right?
So me must over here every day, right through the day as man like me come over here. And you
not
say,
have to
if
come over
me
here.
pull
Listen,
the
listen.
cupboard and take up one.
Listen, you don't have to come over here, man, like, because nothing is over here to do. Nothing is over here to do more than
What you mean?
shot.
How much
Shot time,
steel
you
syrup?
can hurry. But Ray, what them a do and that me you not
They
do.
say it's good to keep the baby active. By me
No.
coming over here and talking to her every day, me I keep the baby
No,
active.
walking up and down, keep the baby active.
So me actually
Right?
go walk.
And me working at the bed, keep the baby active. You not keep the baby active. Her mouth ya keep active and chat people business, that's all. Right?
And this year, this
So
big
me
man.
nah, listen.
Wait, I say, I'm come back over here. I'm going to tell my cousin.
Listen, man.
I'm tell my cousin say I listen.
Calm down. Nah.
And this year, this
Listen,
man.
man. Calm down, man. Me don't want to hear no argument. Me just call you one side. You know, this
Yeah, this never look food, never look snacks we can do no nourishment to your body. I be a snacks you feed the baby pan before you buy and a banana,
Listen,
watermelon and them
this what
this
she want, she buy. And then me go to supermarket up pick up and say, you want, I'm buy this, I'm buy it. And she take up what she feel.
You know, say, me always like you, I tell her, say, yeah, I want good man, but now me I going to take back my ratings from you. Can you not rate me? Because
Why
if
me
you didn't
not
rate
rate
me, you would have stopped me from take what I want out of your house.
Me and you in a relationship? Yes or no?
Me and in a relationship.
Yes or no? Me never ask that. Yes
I'm
or
a
no?
little cousin in the belly dear say, understand?
Yes or no?
Me and automatically in our relationship because I'm cousin in our relationship.
Oh. Me and you sleep in a bed at night time?
My,
And me and you lie down upon them the pillow there?
and I get the point. By you being with my cousin, that means you're automatically there with me too. So yeah.
So me for automatic take care of
Yes, but we don't have no.
you. It no work so.
We don't have no intercourse, nothing.
No, it no work so. You see me not hint at that? No.
Oh, say I look me point up at that. Okay, you know. Me,
You
I
don't get...
what I mean, you know,
No,
say if
no,
you're not going to this, you
no.
don't come over here, and then say,
Me-
where does tell me say, hey big man, you're just a say if you're not coming this year, I'm not coming in your house, I'm not going to take nothing out of your house. So if you not get some of this year, you could just barge in your house. Okay, you know what I'm
No, me
done.
not put...
And that you said to
the
me.
wrong way now. You take it the wrong way. Alright, if you done the argument, when I come over, anything you want, you ask me, right?
I have to ask you because most of the time, 95% of the time, you're not really there around me. I'm
No,
I'm
you
saying,
call-
cause me gonna take two chips, yeah man.
You call me and ask me. Anything you want, you call me and ask me.
You know what I'm saying?
Right? That can't work.
Remember saying anything me
You
tell
know,
my
say
cousin.
that hard, man, if you deal with it, you can't...
Anything me tell my cousin, she believe, you know. Say, see, if you want that the child to grow up and come see your father, you try get comfortable with me. You hear?
I check me.
Me not, you don't check me, you know. You look me already, you know. You
What?
pass the place with me, you know. I'm loaded, my mom make she hear and come out here. Me, and that's the one.
Me, I look you. Me, I look you.
If you go in a court right now and tell judge say one woman rape you, they gonna believe you?
Oh, yeah, what I'm going out yourself?
No, you know, say I want to look money in that, tell me I look rose and want me go up
I
and
want to work me again.
thanks to tell me, I hear me I go take it, I mean not stop, me continue to take it.
Yeah.
And she didn't have a fear, guys.
No, because me I say, oh, remember John Paul that time
I price.
the price too low. So, we can get 2 chips then, no?
I'm not just saying no.
Yep.
Yeah, they're in my cupboard.
Alright.
Who me buy them for?
I hardly eat them. You want them staying there and spoil?
Why you buy them for you not eat them? Me no want share yam everything me buy over here.
But I'm a family. What wrong with that?
Listen me, you see anything you want when me buy, you call me.
Oh,
if
so let me get this straight. So if she come over here and you there rape and she asks something, just pick up my phone and call you.
Yes, because of my money I spend. You amount of money me spend at supermarket what day 30,000. And half I sit there me no yam them. Me have to give me my little sister. And that me want to do. She know if you come over here pack back baby.
Oh, so your sister forget but she not forget. You're selfish bad.
When she cook, she eat. You eat. Right?
Yeah.
Because most of the time she come over here, she a cook. so she can get some of the food. Right? Put them the snacks and the bread and everything, egg, what do you know?
Yeah, no me no fussy bread.
A 3 egg, me see she a fry and I say nothing, you know. Me not say nothing and she put 2 in her back when she a go in the evening. 3 egg.
You know why you talk too much, me go lie down.
You see, you know, I like talk to you now because you always a pick up for your family.
It's more sleep.
You tell us if you stop sleep, you know, good for your baby.
So you want to sleep on the
When you
sit
go
up and
to
look, sir?
No.
I'm going to have nothing to do.
You come to me, babe, and we go walk.
What over here?
Exercise.
You must say night.
You know, must every day or night we go walk. Nobody not doing it.
Well, man, yeah, you tell me more school where 5 o'clock, school where 6, 7 o'clock. So no food, no cook. Man down, man.
I'm going to go and check now.
Yeah.
So you have to ask her if food no cook.
Hmm?
Come, get up.
No, listen.
Get up. My woman pregnant. Get up.
I didn't know.
Come on.
No,
Daddy, me no want, you see, me tell you, say you can come after 5 and before 9 o'clock, but me really and truly no want you over here, because me no want you assisting my woman every day. You understand? She is my woman now, not Philly.
No, me know you with him, man.
Listen, man. You hear me clearly?
Shit.
You hear me good? Me no want you look pan her none at all.
Alright, we can go back in this.
So if we go link up, I know yes sir.
No, we can go back in this. No.
You see now hear me I say no? Me say if we are going to link up, I know yes so again.
Boy, if you're outside like different, you just turn on palm.
I saw my lights stay. Listen to me. You have a bun cigarette, what kind of style that? You know,
Stress out that name.
you see, you don't see the rate me?
No,
You don't rate me none at all.
no.
You want to lose the baby crew, you there fire.
Two cigarettes. How you going to lose in the cigarette?
You have sense?
That's true.
Tell me if you have sense or not. Because you don't look like you. Where you turn junkie? Because from what day me hear you got bar. Everything to call me. Yo, dad, we don't have Susie bar or something. We don't have Susie bar. Come link me. What kind of style? You not work again?
Quit work.
Why you quit the work?
Stress. I'm not just stress.
I hope no more when you stress over there.
Come on, man. Oh, God, man. Do better than that, man. Stress about it, man.
Mr. Me would kill boy and girl for she.
No, I say, yo, stress about man.
You hear what me say?
You stress about man. I can't go back inside, man.
Please, you still want to go back. You know hear me I say?
I say, if you tell her emergency.
Yeah, my friend and I don't want this up.
Listen. You see ex?
Listen me.
No, shh.
Yeah, my friend and me no want for this yo.
But say, if you see ex,
What me want to know about my ex for?
she applying to blackmail her, daddy. That's why I come check you.
She can't blackmail me, she not have no secret for me. Me not have no secret I road. So what you try to say?
You say the girl has sickness. Yes.
You see me know and say yeah make up story. I some boss head with a back layer.
Yo,
My woman do HIV test. Every time I test, there is we run.
no,
Because
when we
the
say
woman wants to
sickness,
the baby good. So what you talk about?
when we say sickness, we mean them the sickness.
What kind of sickness you talk about?
Mentally ill, daddy. Mentally ill.
My woman brain good.
You
Because
sure?
the business that me I run, I share do the accounting. So what you talk about?
You talk about that, yeah, mad cousin and them and run all business good. And then really that me I talk about sometimes the brain go, sometimes the brain come back. That me I try to tell you.
There's no going and come back.
Are you say so? You say so? So, alright.
So, go on now, go on.
Me get my food.
No food not do that. Go on.
We're going
One,
We're going
one. Me no prep. Me promise you, girl.
Yes. You tell me, you give me back one. Me give you one, so give me one.
Me.
Yeah. Remember when
Me tell us me. Yeah, yeah, girl.
when me take you, you tell me, say, yeah, give me one. It's a way.
Let's soon check it.
No, check me. No, girl, no.
No.
Daddy, no wrong.
You see you? Yeah. Yeah.
When me they give my woman.
Why you have to come go ask about girl no?
Me give
Yeah,
her-
sure. What you want cause in a relationship now?
Is it mine?
What do you mean by if I feel what?
I don't even like talking to them. Just sometimes.
From what you have check me here,
Sometimes
is it
the brain-
mine? What you
sometimes-
talk about?
Sometimes the brain one come that
Okay,
you
now.
know. You don't understand. Is it mine? Our son? Is it? Shaggy didn't say it was me, but is it mine? Am I son that too? That's my son. Is it
Me
mine?
a watch you.
Hmm?
Me a watch you.
It was
I
me.
remember say, you see if I slip, don't slide. You hear me tell you?
Bad man
Because me say, if me ever see a boy, I could have anybody, me see a look on her, me I kill them.
You don't say, I'm going to prison for time.
Me I go to prison for she. Because the amount of money me spend on she since she pregnant.
Boy, she go a hospital and clinic and I walk on every backside man and that.
No, me make sure it say.
I look on her and
go-
kill them.
No, daddy, listen no. Make sure say when she got a clinic or doctor, me rent a vehicle.
But you
And she
kill
come
her
out
and
under
kill her. What
hoodie.
you get in that sense, man? I would also see her.
Me don't want nobody look on her.
A man doctor will look on her.
A woman doctor we deal with.
So,
And me have to do that so.
so your mom.
And she get,
Yeah,
if
what
she
you
go
want?
open up it, and me a open up it and make she look.
She should have pissed for you. The one, she should
Peace pound.
pissed for you. Why you want to open up the woman for? You know, have the money you have to check. When you have check when you go to doctor for. How? You're insecure?
We have to go to the doctor go check up.
If it-
Every month we go check up.
Every month.
Yeah.
For
Me
power.
now make sure go on a clinic again. She go check up a doctor, private doctor we go.
Yo, we don't go doctor anything. So. No.
Come. Yeah, do overtime.
No. Why you not gonna do?
Why I go overtime?
Why you? I second time you do this, you know.
Yeah, I go overtime because you don't talk about woman. You don't want to mention woman anymore. We're not even sure I turn up the talk about woman.
I now
What
come
you
back
want to
here.
know about that? You done. On the relationship not done, man.
Oh, now come back here.
You tell us, remember if you want to check me or out the road. Now come back down here. Can me see you down here, I'm going to chop you up. Alright. Remember, you sir?
Here.
You must more this damn sick, you see? You like you're not business where I'm do.
I know that this is a bit funny, but right now I be tired and want to sleep.
How come you come and I want to kill you up, you don't realize that?
Now you're a friend.
Are you your ex-man? And
I
that
thought you're
you
a
make,
friend.
and
I
you
thought
make,
we can't talk to him.
Yes,
Don't.
yes.
are you make him
You
come
don't stop.
over
We
here?
can't talk to him.
I want to
Don't,
I
yeah.
want to
Remember
postpone.
the argument, right? But just I say something.
I want
Alright, ex-man, I come over here.
I ain't friend here. You
I
stop.
know
We
my
can't talk to
friend,
him.
I know my friend like that.
Where I mean X-Man? Which X-Man that?
You see him, he with them man,
You want to be
Popeye.
for him.
in Hollywood.
But they never do nothing.
Then did that, they didn't have a relationship. So, I mean,
I know we out of the relationship.
Oh, it's a Popeye.
so where am I come
A
over
Popeye never check that joke. A Popeye love run joke.
A joke, in or no joke.
You can't say
serious,
that the clown is
You
serious.
must say my
Yeah.
woman sexy and nice and this and that. Me no let me
So
start.
why is that woman sexy and nice?
No, me no want him to tell that.
If it
That
gives
means
that
them I
chance.
watch me woman then.
Because she pregnant and she man still call her for her lucky. And that's why you have to make sure say she don't
No,
shout her
no.
no. You
You
understand?
shot anything?
You ask me? Yeah, me shot asleep. Want sleep.
That alone and the doctor say no to sleep, to sleepy. That's
So
why
I
I'm
don't
not
want to sleep over
sleep.
you.
In the
Still on the
night,
stairs, sir?
you can't sleep. We are go walk.
Then I want the night.
No, we are go walk.
I must be
Go on.
making attack because see that I dark up you know.
No, we want to walk first and get some sweat.
But can I walk? You want to man walk after 6 o'clock?
Then I
now?
say me I split already. What must
Our time.
What have to do?
Me want to walk. She feel
6:20.
When
Which part you walk was
listen,
6:20?
it's when me I deal with my relationship, you not tell me how to run.
But my sister, I'm here no from other front there so me can't hear no more.
Why not tell me so?
Me I see
She
people
tell me say, you're a cousin. I know you say about
She my
sister.
cousin.
no cousin.
Cousin sister.
So me never know say it's a crime to call your cousin sister. Hmm? If so you wait there, you don't call your friend them brother, you know brother?
No, me not no friend. You don't see me with no friend.
Alright, so when you talk to your friend them out the road and you say, yo brother,
You me not have no friend.
you sure you have no friend? So Papa and your friend?
And she come over here look on every day.
What time me come to?
Me have to rate him about whether can come in and burn cigarette. What kind of style like you come and burn cigarette and know say she have a baby?
The baby no born it.
It doesn't matter. You know if you have burn cigarette runs pregnant lady.
So if
You think mother have
so if you have a big problem with that, why you never take him out of the house when anything come in here?
what me do? Me not take him out.
So what the big deal then?
Me no want him over here, that's a big deal.
Me not have him number.
He still have come over here because he know say, who want to have? You know talk, you know text on the phone.
How me fear text? How me and him fear text when I block and delete him number on my phone?
You know
Answer
text
that
on the
question
phone?
then now. You want to go through my phone?
Me now go to your phone.
Okay.
But me I tell you this, you see, if me ever find out anything I'm going between, you know, because he come over for a day, you know, he must say, is it mine? What
Yeah,
comes
that's
to your
supposed
mind
to
when
be-
you must say, is
When
it
you
mine?
mean by is it mine? You might answer, if I peer pick me, I could never that
You must
because
try to say,
you
if
know
I
I mean
feel-
know say them left long time, right?
Me no know if they did left, because they did
So if him come and say, is it mine? Maybe he can say put on this and he can say, is that mine?
No, no, you see I pick up fear now. Yeah, pick up fear now.
Me not pick up fear, but I'm somebody where me like see true justice. Me not depend nobody
He
side.
come and we are talk about she and he just say, is it mine out of the blues? Is it mine? I say, what you
So
mean?
maybe some
He must
free
say,
come could have
listen,
left off in the belly and the barn and the breeder, right? But
So wait, I know my picnic.
of course I feel pick me.
So
You know how me confused.
am I baby? Sure am I baby?
What kind of question that you ask me?
Answer your man, sister. Feel
You
a feel
sure
baby.
say am I baby?
How much months pregnant be? No, answer the question there.
You're 6 months pregnant.
Okay.
How
Now who
when
me have sex with?
the last month. Eh? Look how long ago him and that the boy did the top chat, them and the top chat. Eh?
Okay, man, I have to say nothing else.
He have got to 9 months now. So if I the film baby, the baby ready at least 8 months, 9 months, alright?
Me not say nothing more. This when the baby born, you know fully over.
You're trying to do no DNA test for me cousin, you know, because they say they hurt baby nowadays, you know.
But you
Yeah.
can't tell me what.
What you mean?
You
They must
can't
stand
tell
up. Strong panties, you know, because
you can't tell me
all of
what
our family,
to do.
they never do a
I'm
DNA
my-
test behavior. That.
So you can't, if I'm my baby, you can't tell me what to do.
No, me I tell you say he hurt the baby.
Hey, what kind of baby breath I want?
Them have some machine where them have put the pity them under to do the DNA test nowadays.
You see this
You know how
thing?
they put on the business.
That thing has stressed me.
I know my business. I know my
This
business.
has stressed me out.
I know my business.
Right? It has stressed me. It just has stressed me. Because I really want to know if I'm my baby or not.
Are you a baby?
And you have vouch here, say I'm my baby.
Me can
So
tell you
yes,
that.
You see, if I know my baby, all of them money that we are spending, you have to give me back, you know.
Maybe I have to give you back. Hold on there, hold
You
on
have to
there.
give me back because you
Only have to give you back.
yeah, swear
Me
yeah.
is me and just our cousin, right? That come over here country card one then.
No. Me just have
Look
to
here.
care about
If
here.
I don't fear baby that are between you and she, Amanda, and the
So
man
if
every
I between
day.
me and she, where you come like argument for?
Because I don't like how you talk to my cousin, and maybe she not go, maybe she don't feel well if talk up like how me can talk up, but me I tell you.
Well, when me attack to her, let's be between me and she. Me and she will work out.
If me see you attack over my cousin like that, me I will come in and
You know what? Me don't talk to you. Me I go in her room. When she gone, you make sure that you good. And make sure she not take out no out and come back. Without asking me.
him, eh? Look here. Make sure I say you broke him pocket dry, yeah? And don't make him do no DNA test for your because you come go back over.
Alright,
Talk on there.
you ain't say no why you over here. What you do over here?
We don't tell them, man. That's passing down the road.
So what you do over here?
Vex with them, man.
How what me you do now?
I try to be there from when I'm going to the data bus. And one brother talk. Yeah. So you are go down at 3:20 a.m. How you get the money if you go down there? How you gonna reach it? Yeah, but how you gonna go? Unless them up carry out when you come back to pay them. You tell them, say when you come back. When you send the money to your mother card, the $1,500 to your mother card, right? Oh, you want Django, alright, later, alright, no problem. Alright, yeah. Alright, yeah man.
How am I do over here?
They try to go to.
No,
I see
listen.
you go tell me accent.
Look here. I be a problem you cause over here, you know. Yeah, my sister live. Where you still do over in my yard, eh? A problem I want to put him in now. Look for me. Me and here see the man ask if I feel pick me.
After me, is it mine?
Okay, I understand that you ask me.
No, listen me now. I don't want you coming at this right now. Really.
Let me know I'm coming at this.
Listen, me and she, we our levels different. So, it's not about you right now.
Different.
No, yeah, you know.
Listen, you diss me, man.
Me this you,
Cause-
me this you.
No, yeah, you know, because if your man can't see him here again, me can defend you, know? Just do that thing and run go on my yard.
This one me I tell myself. This is the baby when I belly, I feel like it's mine. I feel like I feel me.
Maybe that feel. It's a gut feeling how they feel like say I feel. And the man pick me, why you try to mash up a girl like him? You know, see how a man that love him and buy people food and stuff. Me can't come up here yet, come look nothing, you know, cause nothing over there.
If a food are your problem, me have food wagga wagga.
Wait, when you leave that time used to come over there, I be a caramel and oats and all that's going to your cupboard. No snacks and nothing in there.
So what you call what in the cupboard? The food. And you know what you want to that?
I be a cheese stick, Lay's, Pringles,
Yeah.
Oreos, I'm gonna stick in the cupboard.
And that's a really
Sad cheese.
And I see I live over you to the car, you know.
That no concern you.
Why you put the dirty thoughts in and cousin head go me I live off of her? Me not live off of her, me just come here for things that me don't have. And she not have a problem with it, don't cause.
I never have a problem with you, I have a family.
Exactly.
And you will have a problem
You
with
feel left out of here now and
No.
don't make him and
No,
don't see me.
one question more ask you. On a serious level. You sure enough for me pick me?
No, I know you're picnic.
And she not have no more feelings for you, so you can go.
You can't tell her if you leave us alone there with her private.
No, no, I'm a man come catch you.
No, listen.
My cousin too soft, you know, she not have no time for this right now.
I had 20 million for the line.
You and your $20 million for the line can stay. This man you have money. Where am I breed from?
Listen. Sure knows a boy. I mean, my daughter already. My daughter just called me. Sure knows a boy that my son is sure that I'm willing to do DNA on the band.
No DNA, not do yourself.
And if we do DNA on mine, I'm warning at this. Because you will not go ramp around my little sibling in the
Alright. You can't do DNA. We control our paperwork. Give me the money for DNA. Yeah, hey, boy.
The last time I said you go buy a half stick of butter when you were cooking, you remember? I want pack of salt.
You see, you know, that's why I'm for DNA. You see, you're cheap. You remember half stick of butter, $100 where you give me to go buy half stick of butter? And just 2 minutes come back with $100. You remember that? That happened about 8 months or 9 months ago. Look how long that.
Still I remember and still will always remember that $100. You take it go buy cigarettes.
$100 you go sober?
No, I'm trying to show you if it's a bigger money.
We don't want the money for that. Give me a money, I'm go buy a drink instead. At least that. Look how long you don't see your ex-cousin-in-law. Give me a money, man, me go buy a beer or something.
You know, we're alright over here, you know people them play.
No room no over here because she can't drink rum. I be apple juice. I'm tired to drink apple juice. Me drink apple juice till my belly big like I breathe me a breathe too.
You still believe in them nonsense again? You still believe in it? You still believe in it? No, some.
So you come over here for? That me not get up.
No.
Why you real?
No, you know.
What make you come over here?
For a serious level, let me tell you something. Me tired of it. Me tired of it. Me come clean, you know, me tired of it.
What time your man a come? You know if your man a come and sit down here in a city with man a chat?
No, me know when they man. He not come for now. You know, me like how you watch still, but he not come for now.
That's why if you buy me the juice.
You know what's something wrong with you. Relax. You know what I'm saying? You come for move you.
Move out who?
You.
Out of way. Out of this house when I get everything I want out of you must see man.
No, you can't take him, man.
Me no want him. Who tell us I don't want him? You rather when she there with him.
Yeah, you rather when she there with him, so you can't sleep with him for your way. You know what I'm saying, man.
That's how women don't believe.
Me I take my cousin man?
Yeah. How much time you see you jump through that window there?
I think that check out.
No tell no lie for me. Me I see you jump through the boy the window when? You see I be a good upon your window them. How me jump through them the window there?
Yes, I will.
You see me I jump through that? How you so lie someone?
Alright.
How you so lie?
You can't take it nice.
You see you? A long time I don't like my other one sister about you. Because always.
Remember, shut up. Shut up. I know your time now.
Shut up.
Remember we did send up to the college?
What that again?
You remember something? Me don't want to spell out that.
Oh.
I want to go drop asleep. Can be tired. And I can't sleep. No, pregnancy. People who want to sleep and can't.
Let me care that when you come over here, you don't have to walk.
Because you never know say I come over here.
I'm nearly going to go and come back, you know. So, soon come back. You try to make sure you man not come over and come see me, you know.
If I go follow right behind her because I sleep, me want to sleep.
What is it chatting up for blow? I don't understand what you're talking about. You know, see, I'm a wicked girl. Listen to me. See that baby there? It shall be mine.
What that's supposed to mean?
You wicked man. But you know what I'm saying? If I'm pregnant, I'm going to try. I'm a blast. I'm a
After
level.
me, never know so me could have breed. Until now.
So, how much months?
You don't need to know that.
Is it 3 months or 4 months?
You don't even know that.
No.
Yeah, you know that.
But, you know, alright, what's wrong? Get up.
From here you go.
If you ever open up your mouth and give you the phone in it, get up and follow me. Call him. Get up. Come. You have no car. Get up. You know what I'm saying?
Where me you go?
You come on. You come on. You talk about me. Yeah.
Yeah. I really like to step up people or something. Yeah. 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 You could have gone this time of night.
Cuz!
Where calls the philosophy my asshole?
Cuz!
Yeah, call him now. Look if she in there.
Yeah, me in there, man. Me not too long to over here, you know. Cuz!
Look if she in there. Come here, call her. It's like, I hope she don't walk on the road by herself, you know.
Cuz!
Because me tell her, say, anywhere she a go, and me and her to go.
No, man, him just send if you want to feel the same, I go sleep. I'm carry back. Him just sit over here.
So what she could have gone by the time you just not too long left? Or up here?
About 15 minutes ago, him and
No.
him and the ex-man did over here, though. I don't know if they gone on the road, but he say asleep, he want
What
to
say a
go
while
sleep.
ago? You man who?
And the boy, man said you, they were not like. You see, and that's why if you give me things every day, because you say if you don't feed me more often.
My woman, nah, do that, and she know mistake. And she have man over here, you must have.
I him and him, me left here, so he travel.
Listen, man.
You know, me not talk. Me look to
She
my cousin.
could never so bright. If you care man in my place, you're mad. So let me try call her.
You know, some just chipping on my head. Call your friend and I'll find out.
No, me I call fear for.
Call your friend.
Hold on, me try one more time.
So idiot boy. Me say me call your friend.
Me I try her one more time.
Call her then. Call her and see if I know vice me.
The ring.
What she could have done in time of night?
Because
You hear nobody? Call the friend.
you sure say them I see over here?
Call your friend after
You see
me.
if I... Alright, me call her. Me call her. Them rat, them are run up and do this. Yo,
What one?
you be over here over me yard a while ago?
Yeah, we can call him for you, but not see him general.
You're over my yard after me telling you to come over here?
And you be calling for general. Where then?
When me tell you to meet me out on the road.
What cousin that drunk bro?
Oh, yeah, me come over there, come like all the girl that go on by the phone.
What do you mean? Me come back over here, we can't find her.
I must not yell till she run me out.
So wait for there.
Me a come.
Me there over my yard, come over here now.
Yo, come right now there, try having me now.
Me a come, man, me close by. I
Oh,
want
yeah,
to.
just move and see your phone, man. Forward. You see you took you. You see you? Oh, you feel me?
You see, if you don't feed me more often, and me come over here, me could have over here and eat something, and she would have gone. But no, me have to come over here,
So
come
me
here
have to
now.
give food. Me have to give food.
No,
When you
but
want-
me always
Listen,
go over
listen.
here and eat.
When you go to art school, who send you to art school? And me send you to art school. Me.
And me give God thanks to that.
You don't know like you give God thanks to that.
Me come out with no,
Because they
me
are
come out with no skill.
Who making a come up with a skill? Are you going to take where you know to take? And that's why
What, general?
it
What because God?
She did that right this one time she run away.
She not there in the house.
What do you mean by she not there?
You sure?
Daddy.
Good.
Alright, that's how I sit down. And she sit down there so. And she sit down there so.
So, oh, yeah, sit down close to me.
No, man, I put it between the two of them, man. I have my self-respect or self-esteem in one of them, man. But you know, when you walk out, you say, you walk back and you come out.
No, you feel like the two of them, yeah.
No,
You can't swear for you, my friend, because me never see you. If we there court right now, me never see you.
You know what I'm saying? I still know
Oh, you left the two of them, yeah.
She said me for pill to go make her sleep.
And
So
she
you
not
make she
ready, so that means that instead of a pill to go make him jump asleep and send me away. I'm man, you're doing that.
And you had a big old 6 month belly in front of you.
My woman can't go no my God.
I
Maybe she
think
gonna
she's
walk.
giant. Yo, man, yeah, she gonna do that.
I walk, she gonna... You tell me what my woman? Me can't swear for you and say, I walk, she gonna walk. She good with it for her phone in this one.
Me say, a man, yeah, she gone to me, her phone ring. And the man say, yo, your pocket. He said, no, me not have to pack me, I come because you can't buy clothes.
You hear that?
Yes, you say.
And my cousin that. My cousin even too shy to chat to man. I'm who
Exactly.
introduce him to you. I me introduce him to you and you and every man we ever chat to.
Yeah, but I'm beginning. So why would I want to have
You give who?
me?
Me not understand what going on there, sir.
Yo, me tell her.
She not have no other man.
She give you a bun. Sometimes I have to wonder, is it mine?
Is it yours?
You see what me I tell her say?
Look how you are left. What do you mean is it
You see
yours?
me?
I feel pitney.
You see what me I tell her say?
What?
What you talk about is it mine?
No, then Shaggy can't say it wasn't him. What about me? Me can almost say the same thing to him. Can't say it in my term. Is it mine?
You sing, you're an artist?
No!
Are you an artist?
Kinda.
Sing a song.
Dance. You know the artist that was singing this song? Sometimes I wonder why myself.
Look here, talk about Bob to Samtam plate.
When you?
His name is Bob to Samtam plate.
Listen.
Bad to?
Bob to Samtam
Will you
plate.
shut up, no, man? A woman, there, yeah, get a go.
Daddy will say a woman gone with man. She was a long time.
Look here, come up on the road. Don't have flashlight. Come to look on him. Out for him.
Look for me. I look for what I put up. How can you look for something when I put up?
But pose around and back in there, go be there or something and slide and drop.
Go and go look. Me talk to you.
Look on
Go and
the
go look.
bumper.
Cause me want to know all the enemy I look for what I put up. No, General, a man called the girl and say,
You sure you hear,
him
man?
cousin sell out. Yo, him cousin sell her out. Tell her, say, yo, Tiki man. One wicked girl like that. Yes,
So
she
our
not.
cousin sell her.
Yeah, cause that's why most of the time me and she not something to him. Sell her out to man. You know, you look, you see how they extradite him.
Me no believe that because me grew that the girl and me send her to school.
Yo, me grew up with one dog nearly bite me up all night.
That a fear dog and a good dog.
Daddy, a police vehicle come shoot that.
You know some me can't
Oh.
no police, Bridget.
Nobody call police. You can't call police in a situation.
Me
Daddy,
don't have no.
no, if you call police right now, you then laugh off of you. If you call police right now,
You
then
don't see her.
No!
no, she set her up on man.
Which man?
No,
Where the man live?
you don't know where I live, but me and by the phone. So,
Because right now, you see right now, you see me never knew say she gone a man yard. Me murder everybody, all you me a murder.
you're
So
really,
if any, yo, you see,
you're really that man and your friend of all, man. Daddy, relax yourself, man. Fucking
you
relax
see, me just want to know who now.
Just.
Listen me.
Yo,
me just want to know who.
You trust
see
me?
me ever,
You trust me?
me not trust you, me not even trust your own woman, how me fi trust you.
So,
Because you see you're a snake too, you know. You is a snake on the grass. You.
alright, back then I was a snake on the grass and me used to take over the woman,
Change
right?
now, brother, tell you say.
Me is a born over Christian, me change. My top tech.
And when you
people.
baptized?
Huh?
When you baptized?
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. We rejoice in the name of Jesus. The only way and the only truth.
Hold on. Hello? Say the phone, you know.
The only
And
way.
she, you call me, you know, like the phone, you know.
Impossible, man. Not she, man. That's
And she,
no, I said that's impossible, General. What you talk about?
what is here, sir?
Her phone lock off. She can't call you back, man. I'm losing it, you're losing it.
Oh, you know, say the phone like that.
You call me to me here when you're coming. Oh, I forgot. Me try call. When I try to get to you, I couldn't get to you, so just get call her and then reach your voice. You know?
You see, if you have anything to do that disappearing, remember, so me tell you, me I come to you myself. Come out of me house.
You're not come from, man.
Come out of me house. You know, say me that. Alright.
Yeah. Me not there.
Man. I look too stressed out, man. I look too stressed, man. Yeah, I get almost out say me can't take your mind. They can't take your mind in a car, isn't it? Oh, go on, man. You're part of the family tree, you know, so. You know what I'm saying?
One thing. Go and walk over there, so man.
You know, say I feel that way, cause.
Oi,
Alright, welcome. Me like you, know.
you not even know where your cousin there come and rub me down. You know what
But obviously she not come back. Maybe as your friend say, maybe her money had been gone.
She not gone on a man yard. Me know her.
You know what I'm saying? In her real life, she never treat her good. And me have big feelings with her.
Boy, relax,
Come here.
man.
Just listen to me
Relax.
now. You see that? Me think she'll come back. So you can just take me up. We can't take him back. We can't take remember her.
Relax. You a magnet? Are you a magnet? Me move the rest jaw closer. Go and back over this, man.
Feel like I'm trying to get to my stress off of you because
Me
I'm
alright. Me
depressed.
alright.
We know say you're baby.
Oh, relax.
Just hear me out. I need to have a wicked girl for a long time, you know. Maybe I could be on a cute one day, see me? Maybe I'll find love and I'm gonna run off with the baby, real baby father and let you your stress.
So what you say no, no my baby?
Well,
But General.
see man of the hour yeah, him say so, say I don't feel picking.
What was you not in?
The baby
You say no
that
man.
him, you know what I'm saying?
When?
If you know when it show you,
Lion!
you see a feed baby.
Lion!
See if you never remember.
Lion, listen. You ever hear me say, am I baby?
And then you say could have somebody else, cause bad girl, you have hold for man.
So when I try to ask you, say, I try to do something.
No, me not seduce him, but me I say, like how she not come back, me have feelings for him, so he can take me up.
What kind of
I
feeling?
never see smoke without fire. I never see a lane without tunnel. I never see a road without rock. I never see a behind without shit. Eh? And what wrong with you? Eh? What wrong with you?
She don't know where her cousin there and she all they want. Where you want
No,
from?
listen to me, me feel bad because
You don't feel bad.
You don't feel bad with you. You're
But you
wicked.
what? Keep planting yourself now.
you have to understand.
Don't
You
make you
can't feel me
understand.
because me have no man, because you can't feel comfortable.
See him here, him single. Take him. What is that?
Since when?
Me don't know man. Look for the last you when me don't talk
Take
to
care.
her from months now.
Take
Yeah,
care,
anyway.
she's
But me
single.
be some over here every day.
Listen. So why you never take me at first?
I want me I wait for your cousin to come
Me
back.
don't see her
Wait
around
for she
with
there.
all kind of girl.
Like
Let me know if my cousin to come
Me
back.
a
Cousin
wait
will come
for
back.
her.
He have good dead or
Wait,
When you come here, you can't take her in our
Take
hand,
her,
right?
no want her.
You see me, sir?
Her cousin me
Yeah, me
want.
single.
Oh, yeah.
You have money?
Don't worry about father. Where's about? Ask him about me.
Me love me now. And me not go nobody yard where no phone did them. Me reason me to come over here. And because every day me come over here, I can't get big bag of grocery.
Let me tell you something. You see? You see the serious business where I talk about you used to back up over here and carry? You know, therefore my here to back up and carry.
See, and then money want put me too.
Me have a lot of rice and flour and chicken and seasoning. You can cook all you want to cook. Me general. No, you are. We equal. You know why? Relax, no man, give back me your. Come on, come closer. We equal, so. You, me give a girl, and see there, you bust out of your pocket, give me a girl. But,
So you really give me and you don't have nobody else to get?
no man, you have somebody else to get.
Who may I forget?
The baby mother.
Them mean baby mother. In baby mother run off God.
No.
You tell me one night, say me baby mother run down.
Really?
Where you talk about now?
No, she not enough. Your baby mother safe and sound. Well alright, well rested, well eaten. No food. She eat food a lot.
Come
you know
in,
Jamaican people.
come straight. I go run the corner. Where you talk about?
Well, the night when they come back home to me and I in the city, I take her up and take her to my home. And lock her up in the bedroom and keep the key. And she well fed and everything at night. But unfortunately, me never remember buying her clothes. So she's a good woman, she wash up her clothes, man, just stay in the pantry there when we had because I had some new brand pantry we buy. No, listen, if you want your man alive, you'll be yourself. Wait.
Don't touch me. After they come because it's my like I tell you then.
No, relax, sister.
What him? Get him!
One thing.
Get him!
Relax.
Get him!
One woman.
Get him!
One woman there. One woman there. One woman there.
If you want to alive, you'll be yourself.
What do you mean by it?
We are killing you.
No.
Where did we
One
go?
woman there.
Where did
One woman there, boy. I see you.
Where did we go?
Let's see if you want to
I'm
alive,
coffee now.
be
I'm coffee now.
Beer. Alright. Remember, you know, one touch of the button, you know, she dead, you know.
You see, you say I'm not around here.
One touch of the button.
Get up, come with each man.
One touch of the button, my general.
Put it on your penis.
You want to challenge? Wait. No. That's not your man. No.
You want him. You want him. Put it on him.
No. Hold on. He's a mad woman. You never want him. Let him go. You never want him. No. It is you. You're nasty. Put which pepper sauce for which penis. You're mad.
Let me keep on you.
A man to put pepper sauce for a person put it on your eating. Go down him put it on.
You have to take bad things, man.
Go to the first can go and give me.
Go on.
Now we can't be a good family
You see,
again.
as of today, do not enter back through that door.
Yeah, don't come back at the man here.
What you mean by put pound? Go on.
Oh, say that under him.
Go on.
What?
What kind of girl is...
Nasty. Are you cousin now?
Don't say that. That a girl, you don't know what she have in her mind. Get my woman right away.
Man, the key under the pillar as a old man lighting.
No, sir.
Set yourself free.
Me did down a while ago, but me don't know what happened.
I don't know what. But me never really want to.
And then the girl
I feel picking in my belly, so everything good. Because that question, I really just want to find out everything, and she opened up my eyes and show me, say, oh no, my picking. Think of the mind that I may always say, is it me? Right. I'm sorry. Because you are the same thing. You are the same thing. So we equal. You are the same thing.
Come.
You know, you're happy, man.
You know,
I'm not touching you. Oh, I will not. A police. Oh, man. Come on. You come.
come.
before me left here? Did I touch you?
When I do to you, you're going to tell me everything.
Yeah,
Because I think me hurt you, me I will hurt him back. When I do to you.
No one just starve me.
I lies, you. Pick it in the girl. Oh, you pick it
Oh, tell me, say-
no, listen, we play card together, we play domino together, and she hit
I
her food. Right now, me tell you the truth.
You lock them in our room like that. You know when I keep taking our cage.
You think I lie? Let me just tell her, I say, no, you think
Me
I
not
lie?
about touching no one.
Shh.
Hey.
Me not just call her, oh, I never tell yourself, you look at that needy pillar, you think he, no,
Yeah,
people
yeah,
come for it.
yeah.
You know, people
What else
come
you do? What else you do?
You just that. I did not give me no water.
You
You
No,
see now,
no
she
water.
be drink water every day.
Yo, you know, saying open up here, I mean, then they get food and water, and I did long time, because the baby alone, that's something, you see, you want wicked piece of girl, as long as me live,
Are you wicked?
as long as me live. Me don't want to see her again. Daddy, and me I come over here to you, make sure you lock him up.
No, you not come back over here to me. If guy, that the girl that I hold her from behind and I talk about put pampini, when I say, do not come back over here. You hear me say?
And you have a hand
As
over
that
here.
from today, do not come back.
Your man and your flippy
Yeah.
cousin,
You
them
hear
man
me
tie
say?
together.
Do not. You
Them man same dirty bungle.
hear me say?
You're dirty
Don't
bungle.
come back over here. Because you're my friend and me not even can swear.
We
to you.
equal.
Me don't know what you do.
We equal. We equal. No worry in it. Everything good.
Imagine then they had and you not even explain. Come fresh now.
Morning. Morning. I go library. You go library? It's for do
Me I go study. Cause me have homework. I have an exam Monday. So I need to study and I need to do my homework. So I want my friend them go library.
which friend, sir?
You know, remember my friend when me always talk about.
Me want to know what me a pay Wi-Fi bill for. For internet there. And me a pay how much a month to flow for Wi-Fi. So what is that?
I mean, and Shani to go library. I remember saying no book, no there for me use. What me go do it source of internet.
So
Me
me not
need
pay for the
book.
internet then?
Yes, mommy, I can pay for me use it when me there, but me have to go to the library. What you think they make library for? The souvenir? After you pick the name good, I go study, mommy. You know what I tell me say me to be good. And me a big good, mommy. So what you think me go out on the road and do?
Mine, you know. Go on. But be careful, you know. Cause me might just locate that library and decide to go study one at a time too.
Mommy,
So
I
no
know
say a
something
library I
like
go.
Me not stay long.
What good?
Girl.
Girl,
No, girl. I'll be right now.
which way you go?
Girl, I'll check TV.
So why?
Cause when you have something for him, so I'll check him. But anyway,
What TV could I not give you, Riri?
me not know.
Oh, what? I don't know. You got to do, you know?
No, girl, me a still virgin. Me not do nothing.
Oh, so I go on.
Me tell my mother lie, say me you gonna library. See, if you see him and call you, just pick up in your times and me at the library.
Oh, you use me as bait. So yeah, use me as bait. Now how much me I get out of where I go collect?
Me squeeze a palm and little something.
I can give more than 3 grand.
Me not think your money costs too much.
You know, and you tell life a little bit of money, girl. You don't tell life a little bit of money. If you get a 130,000 if you tell them.
I mean, I give man nothing.
That are the thing. Yeah, remember, say a virgin no. So if you get a 130 grand, cause you done this and not touch yet. But anyways, I hear you.
I ain't not be a car. If you had the bait, I'm going to put in a sea and use and kitchen fish. But me not use a kitchen fish.
You see that me not like it. I will call you.
Hello? Oh, yeah. I come now. Me not, yeah. I write down Alice right that's how me turn up. Yeah, me I come. Alright.
How about that now?
TB.
Oh.
So,
Alright, girl. If your mother call me, tell her, so we there. Where we there?
library.
Which one I library them?
The one they downtown, girl.
Oh, the one that the town?
Yes.
What's the boy? She said she'll come. If you just call her and you reach at the library?
Yes.
Alright, we got it.
Yeah, girl.
Door open. The door open.
What?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Yeah, alright. So, what going on?
Are you to tell me, you know? That's the truth, Jennifer.
Maybe.
I know some things work.
As a matter of fact, too, make sure to keep this between me and you, cause I don't want nobody know say I am not a virgin, especially my mother. If my mother knows say I'm not a virgin, she'll put me out immediately.
You feel me love chat, you feel me a smile run off their mouth. Me's not a chatty person, you know.
Well, make sure say I don't want you to just a person. Make sure so when I drink it rum no make you talk neither.
So let's talk in more than money coming.
This time you be gently. But gently. Here, but gently. Yeah. So, my money there.
Oh God, man, I can't worry about. So you're not planning to come for that shit.
Oh, put that on show. How about this TV?
No money.
$500?
Then, you don't get the amount of money where you get the last time. You feel sorry to get
Yeah, I need one buy one new iPhone. I need one buy one drumstick.
No worry, man. Babe.
What we gonna do with this year?
Next week gonna be better. Next week when I found or next time when I found to get something bigger, you buy an iPhone and a drumstick.
This don't even work. Me good strength. I'm just wait. Oh, think this I can do buy right now. I'm drink.
Just drink and quench your thirst and go
I'm
somewhere.
here. Sure.
Galan, you not going to take me feel that and done me look of money. But iPhone.
Just the right person to see. You don't see my friend.
No, sir. She did come check me earlier on and she left, so she's gone. I don't know if I in Ghana yard or. I don't know.
Oh. But in December, I can check you.
Yeah, she did be at me yard earlier on, but she gone and I don't know.
So you're not nothing?
No, sir. Not really.
Oh, that's kind of a virgin still, so.
So me here, but who knows?
Oh. Alright, now I'll walk and see if I see her.
Alright.
Yeah, bye bye.
You just open up a place, so.
No.
What?
Good.
Yeah, me alright. So what going with you now? You not text me from morning.
What this one me text you and say you're not gonna link me.
Oh, me.
And you know from me text you and say we're not gonna link me, you know what I talk about.
Yeah, so what? You know cook around there. Me hungry. You know cook.
Yeah, me come here and get you about food. When you go there do me get money to buy some food. Come. I'm not doing nothing in my bedroom, I just clean up. Just clean up my place, I'm not doing no bathroom.
Bathroom.
One of the money look like saying you don't want this. Eh? Sure.
Me give look one and two. Me give one. Me just not tell nobody about this no cause. No one nobody know.
Second time you come to me the argument and I'm one here. You see me no bag of friend, me I want to reason with.
Me don't want
Stop
nobody
coming to
know
me the
say me
argument,
not me a virgin. Cause me I tell me mother say me a virgin.
I mean,
And
alone
me mother
for you.
find out say me a virgin. Me head cut off and she will put me on. And me know say this a little something I can't hold me and you and your family.
How can I hold me and you?
Can you
Stay
see?
over there, so me stay over there, so then stay there.
You go tell me say you just done clean.
No.
And that you go tell me say you
Smell
just done
in
clean.
here. So when you smell nice,
Yes.
me nobody want. You can't wait. Said clean toes if you really hold this. Clean toes. You can't cut it there. Clean toes if
How's
you.
that? And you send me to buy food and small that is a
Mama, listen to me. Cause you come like you know go maths class. Here when I pencil out the money now. $6.50 for your food. You get a big breast, vegetable, rice and peas.
so that for some
Hear me now,
a
man.
week.
Big breast. You tell them say you want a big breast. Go down and make it. Tell them say you want a big breast, rice and peas and vegetable or pasta. You understand? And get the orange
Me I did
juice.
go and buy some things.
What's about 150 or so? What kind of things I want?
I want to buy some things that Timmy on. Remember say me a girl and girls need stuff.
Oh, just get that. You get the food, man. A food that tell me say you need. She get food. And orange juice you can get with ice. Yeah? You serve you. Boy, you want tea, man.
Hold on. Oh, come on, come. Glad you come to enough. Wagwan.
No. I want.
They had some problem with some teeth, you know, so you say, why not? I'm gonna check your answer.
Buy me just me answer. No much money me come boy.
We don't have money now. Just chill, man, and help me start with the book work.
No, me not have time for that. Right now I look at money because right on my phone mash up quick.
Don't worry about that. See if you put your mind in front that you want to fix.
Well, money me did come boy, but it look like you have a lot of money pile up over here, sir. And who wear this a tax? You have to do.
Seriously, you can't chill with me. Why?
You can't chill and not get nothing in return. You get someone me I get. You feel people chill for free?
So
I chill and dry throat, me go sit on so all day.
So say see life.
And chill and dry throat, nothing for eat, nothing for drink.
Relax, man. Just enjoy yourself, man. Chill.
Enjoy myself and
Lay
doing
down and
what?
chill.
Who for lay down? And then lay down out the door. No
You must
money.
say full.
How me full? You don't have no money for give me.
Alright, me not no money. Check me back next week then. When now?
When next week? Wednesday?
Tuesday. Yeah.
You say she a thief. Alice, too thief, man. She too thief. Come on, one drinks and they will serve long. How was it like?
Oh, you come back. So hold on.
Friend. Wow. Good evening, mother.
Good evening.
Yeah.
And alright?
Yeah, we alright. You alright?
Mm-hmm.
We don't say no more.
So where you get so much money from and you never have money for when you
I
leave?
told you that I'm a friend lend me to me the borrowed from her to buy one juice.
So much money for buy juice?
No, me borrow Me buy 1,000 if I buy one juice. I'm not buy the juice. If I buy one juice, I want chips. I eat a munch one and me have the rest later and I'm saving for that.
Me born yesterday, man. Me born yesterday. Trish, come here a minute. I ask you something. I forget where I did go. Where the two of them did go and just come from? Where the two of them come from?
The library.
Library.
Yeah, library.
Oh, and you lend her the money from the library.
No, when we walk, come up, me lend her money, but me did stop to drink some water at time because she reach up before me.
Hey, oh yeah, give thumbs up behind my back for? You think I'm not see?
Mommy, I'm a big finger, it hurt me.
Eh?
I slammed it in the bathroom though this morning.
Hush. I'm a real idiot. I'm gonna go library.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I get all of the studying done.
Not really, we have to go back maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Because they like the library look early today.
Because they said start my phone.
Okay. Remember, so what is in the dark must come in the light, you know. And I know today me born or yesterday me born. Me notice certain things with you from the other day, you know. Mine, you know. What's in the dark have to come in the light. Like see me born yesterday. Remember, see me catch up with you, you know. I have eyes at the back of my head. Me and no fool.
So you know cook. Oh, I wrote the alcohol later. Yeah. What do you mean by that, girl?
Girl, you asked me what your mother mean by that. Am I mother or your mother? You're sure you're not I don't do something?
Girl, me not know because I'm still a virgin.
Alright, later. Stay in the yard. Stay in the yard.
So come at me.
Where you go?
Library.
Hey. Ever I go library? Come here, I want to talk to you.
You don't want to talk to me about no.
Me notice some things with you, you know. Remember, say, the pig you raised, me raised the mother and the granny done dead. Huh?
What's your problem?
Every minute you go library. Not once me see you with a bag of books.
So
Not
me-
even one book.
Book done their library already. What me I carry more book go library go do?
So what
Me
means?
to walk up and down with book and pencil and it done their library.
So hold on. Not as you mentioned pencil, me not even see you with that. Eh? You think say me an idiot little girl? You think say me not do them the things before? Everything me looking at your eye. Everything you young people are do. Remember say we did there first and we did do it first. And we learn from our mistakes.
Talk about cause me not do nothing. Me a princess, I'm a decent girl. Me I got church.
A church alone now save you. Your actions. You hear things from the road too, you know, and it not good. Your name smell out the road. Soon it go start think.
But when my name smell out of work, what me I do, mommy? Me not do nothing.
You must know.
Yeah, listen to people too much. People go fail you. And people say, listen to you, listen to your daughter, you have to trust your daughter, believe in your own daughter.
But let me tell you now, because anything happen, them gonna say, blame the parents. Let me tell you now. If a man or monopoly, you go play out the streets, done it. Any funky intention you have all the time in the world to do it. Do it now. Me no want the wrong result coming in the yard, yeah?
Mommy, you just be real with me. I know some of your daughter and I love you and you love me too. So just come, just be with me and know me not tell you no like at the library me they go, mommy. I know say at the library me they go. You know.
You ever have the library as an excuse?
Remember yesterday me did tell us I'm never get to finish up the work, so me I go finish it up now.
Your tongue's starting hurt you now.
Me put look how boiling water upon it so it half hurt me.
You put boiling water upon it and you go library without book and pen.
Book and pen
paper.
already there library.
Uh-huh.
Me no need to carry go.
All me I tell you, say. Please, Riri, me I beg you. Remember, say me was young, you know? Do me I beg you. If a library
Me
I
I
go,
beg myself too.
nobody play no Monopoly game in the library here. Education want you to have. Full up that the head. Nobody make nobody empty them head and use them head. And that the head, I want you to full up and come with results. Me no want nothing in there so for another how many years yet, here?
But me a virgin.
Mm-hmm.
So how some are gonna end up in a song?
Mm-hmm. Just make sure so the things go end up in there, not there. And mine man with them mouth here and then sweet mouth. Alright. What good? Oh, library.
Girl.
How can I let you tell her now?
Let me tell you.
Cause girl, me know, me and you know say you not come on my yard like this. A long time me and you don't sit down and even talk much less for you come on my yard.
Oh. Same line.
Library?
Mm-hmm.
You're not afraid of nothing there, your mother go down to the library.
Why should I afraid? She not gonna go down there. She not have much sense to go down there.
Alright.
So what happened?
No, I'm just there here.
Oh.
So how we are gonna link and now you tell lie.
A TB.
Oh.
Same procedure.
So how much money you get all of them the lie that we are tell?
No, yesterday I only $1,500 me get in all.
In all? Some more than one man a check?
No, remember see a TB one because I still a virgin, so I'm gonna start doing things with other people yet.
Oh, so you get $1,500? Oh my.
You say me not give him no nice something. So I'm just all this.
Oh, I hear you.
Hello?
Yeah, well gone. You're not going to check me.
Yeah, me I'll come check it, but me I go look for my cousin first.
Alright, make sure you check me, man.
Alright.
So girl, how would that?
That's to be.
So I wish cause you have to check.
Girl, me just say use that as an excuse. I'm not ready for go yet.
Oh, you stop somewhere first.
No, me not stop nowhere. Me if you buy something at a party shop. You can't go give mommy some, me every other.
Oh, I hear you. They're roots, man. Me they hear.
Alright then, girl. Later. What happened?
Yeah, one day good.
Yeah, me alright.
You just pull up, sir.
Yeah, you know, so me go pull up and you tell me if you come.
Glad I reach, man. You have a thing can get to, you know.
What?
Okay, good. Yeah, listen.
You saw mine?
You never did want to be yours.
You have to go free of me.
Oh, why?
I first say never give me such a big money.
B, come on, man. Come on. Me always give big money. Even what you give, I went in Australia and give $5. And you never cuss or complain. You deserve money. You always get big money from me. So if you're a friend that, you get more than that from me already.
Alright. Thanks, so I'm glad. We can buy some things now. We can go fix your phone back.
Yeah, man, that can't happen. But
Yeah.
you know how you go.
Come on. Come on.
You got some money go.
Come on. Oh, hi, Miss Sherman.
What happened?
Nothing.
You alright?
Yeah, you alright?
Yeah, man, we're good.
Come on, son, man. So where you come from? You come from in the yard.
Oh, okay. And you just come out.
Yeah, what?
Oh, cause my daughter tell me says she gone to library, and you is normally our library partner. So
Oh, and every day I go to the library go study.
hold on. So that means Riri not gone to library then. Like she always a regular library with you. So I like, should I
No
tell?
man, a lunch we can take. A library day, but me come for a lunch break.
Hold on. You are come from library now all of a sudden at your yard.
Yeah.
And a lunch break you take.
Yeah.
So how are you going to take lunch break with you?
No, she take lunch break man, but she gone done that town, gone buy something. Me not really have no money, so me I go look something to eat. You understand now?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. On the things I born yesterday.
No.
And they are using the brain lyrics for me. No problem, man, no problem. Go get you something to eat. I mean, stop you. Watch me and she me straight to library, me I go find
Then
her.
I library I go.
Eh, then I'm off.
But she left on lunch.
We find her for the lunch.
Alright. Girl, your mother depend on we a go down at the library. Left from anywhere you there and God in late mouth like say you go pan lunch, you hear? Cause me never remember nothing. Tell her say you go pan lunch. Girl, do it now, hurry up.
Alright, we're gonna do it now. Me have to go now. Me mother go to the library go look for me. Have to go. Later, you hear?
Alright.
Yeah, go mommy.
Where you come from?
Library. A lunch break we take.
You're lucky, you know? You're lucky. Cause this me I come to find you.
Come on. Where you come from for?
So who is at the library with you?
My friend, but she took a lunch break fast. Me just take mine because me never really hungry, but she said she's hungry. Take a lunch break before me.
So why you have to spend and buy party and food there for the house?
I remember when I come here, I say I don't know library I come from, and then I can't go back to library.
Original, you know. Yeah, your friend them original, you know.
I'm not so no lie.
Remember, see the pig you raise? Me raise the mother and the granny done dead. Come. Yeah.
Mommy? Who was that? But why I supposed to keep it more side? Remember say me young.
You young and me older. And salt, too much salt no good. So at least your belly full though.
Yes.
So where you go?
Eh?
Back to the library.
Yes. How you know? At lunchtime now.
Make sure you remember what me talk about, you know.
Yes, mommy, me remember.
We want the head result, not the belly result.
Mommy, I'm gonna get the head result. No belly round here. Yeah, hold on. Hello? Trish? Yeah, girl. I come now, girl.
What are you talking about?
Trish! Me say, girl, I come. I look for food with eat, so I go come now. No bother with that. I come now.
Where are you?
Alright, girl.
Yo.
Trisha called me, mommy. She says, where me gone so long?
Library.
Yeah.
Make sure you get your education, you know.
Mommy, so what people got library go do? Sit down and look for the book them?
Come on, want the best for you, you know. Get your education and get your independence, and nobody can treat you like no walla walla girl.
Yes, mommy. You know what I want to be? A light attendant.
Eh?
I want doctor.
Okay.
Off relax them when I catch cancer.
Eh?
So
Tell me something. Since you go library so often,
Yeah.
55 times 5 is what? 100 times 10 hour.
Mommy, I don't know.
Lord God. And at library I go. Eh?
Mommy.
Library I go in and no simple
Mommy,
maths.
you know, see your brain thick. Me, I got library go learn maths. I languages and social studies, I go learn. I read, I go there for learn for read. I never go there for go learn maths. Who did you ever teach me maths? teacher there library for teach me maths?
Teacher that did if you teach you language and English.
I read them in the book them. Read. Me never go learn mathematics.
Mm-hmm.
Me never go learn about 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 2 + 3. Me never go learn
So
that.
you do social studies at the library.
Yes.
Spell social studies.
Eh?
Spell
Me
social
can't
studies.
spell it. SOCIAL. T. No, ST.
You're real dunce about library. Go along. Eh? Just try no so book library you go. About library.
You always clear something.
I want to play some to catch breeze there.
Yeah, what? No.
Yeah,
No. Remember you did something to go and check your back. Check your back.
We get that piece of money. I'm going to tell you something.
$1,000 this time.
This one, get the money and make it to come check me. I'll know. You come like me if you run it down for guess. What kind of style like?
Me come now. Give me something. Give me 4 money.
Girl. You know how much money that?
But they can't give me 4.
You not see right. You not see right. You want some sense like in
You want to
head.
do me ear.
You not see right.
Me
This
see.
is $100 US. 300. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, no.
Check that much that in Jamaican. You got a school. A long time in school.
40,000.
How much that in Jamaican?
100,000?
Give me tell me say. All this
Sure.
time me have
Let me
sex.
tell you, Omar.
And you not gain no knowledge from me.
What kind of knowledge? You teach me knowledge?
When me do it if you get knowledge from
When me
me.
not get no knowledge.
Girl, I have 46,000.
How
Boy, let me share. So I'm going.
You know, cook.
Where I go use money?
I go do me hair. I buy one new phone. I do my nails and my
Yeah, one do for sure.
It's alright. Yeah?
You're right.
Yeah, me alright. You ever buck up in on me?
Mm-hmm. Where you going here?
Me I take cool breeze cause me not ready to go down.
So hold on. Library. Where we read?
She don't have it.
So you want to leave reading at the library?
Yeah, but she not ready to go.
So where you leave her?
Remember say, me walk a shortcut and she walk long road. So when me come in the village, she take the straight road. She up the man.
Alright. Nothing fine. Now come off of the road. Don't step on the road too long.
Ah, God, I mean, I've made phone.
Good evening, young man. You know my daughter, Riri?
Yeah.
You see her?
No.
You don't see her?
No.
Alright.
Auntie?
Library done for a long time and she's supposed to reach home from she's supposed to reach home by now. Me I'll see her library partner and she alright, you sure you not see her none at all?
see her auntie.
Alright.
Alright.
Mind yourself.
Riri. Oh, hi.
Hi.
But Riri, then she not in there.
Why everybody come and ask me for it? Riri not leave your brother.
Riri said I can't check you and they didn't tell me.
Riri not leave your brother. Riri leave your.
So, Riri not in there for you. So when Riri there,
How me fi know?
my dad look for me now.
So am I problem?
If you come over here till you say you need to go in yard, no.
Alright.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You little brute. So where you come from? Eh? Where you come from? Where you come from?
Mommy!
Where you come from?
Mommy, library!
Library? Library? And library shut? Library closed long time. Come here, walk and look for you.
Oh, I forgot to me did up a Shanice yard. My friend yard, mommy.
You can't even lie properly. Me see Shanice on the road. Where you did that, little girl? I'm gonna walk up and down the street and look for you.
Mommy, talk now.
Where you did that?
Sure. Hey, Pan, remember me did tell us I want to look at school partner? I hit. I'm going to collect a while ago.
School partner, that's the best you can come up with?
Yeah. She want money or buy something.
School partner for true?
Yes, mommy, a school partner. I swear upon me, for your life.
Nobody swear upon my life. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're lucky. Come in go library look for you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank God.
What you thank God for? What you thank God for?
So me reach home. And it's a wonderful day and nobody don't do me nothing on the road. You know you can go up on the road and anything I'm telling me I thank God say nothing never happen to me on the road.
Wow! Me love see you wake up and finally thanking the Lord. Cause you never used to do that, so that's a good thing you thank the Lord. Cause you have to thank the Lord, yes?
Mm-hmm. You know, cook. Go inside cook some food, man.
Don't step on the road this late, man. You had me worried. Me a panic.
But alright.
Sure. Alright, I'm going to the back kitchen. Why? Me kind of, but today, me want today to be a different day, you know, really.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, listen to me.
Mm-hmm.
Because what happened yesterday can't happen again.
What happened?
You had me worried. Look at me when I talk to you. Look at me when I talk to you.
You say you have hair in your back of your head, me have hair in my side of my head. Me I see you.
Oh, my young people, me no want what happened yesterday happen again, you know. Don't do it again. When time for you to reach home, you to reach home. How the young people think so smarter than we.
Who that person girl?
Person gone? Sure. I'm not thinking I using a brain too much, man.
Mommy, that person gone, how long I can talk about that, you know?
Well, you want me to change the subject? Let me change the subject because me is your mother. May I talk to you about something now? And you know, so you can talk to me.
Yeah, mom, no.
Ree.
Yeah.
Ree.
Yes, mommy.
Yeah, have sex.
Mommy, my God, you could have asked that. I don't even know what is sex. I think it's a paper. When you sign the paper, you're having sex.
Nobody try to use your brain lyrics for me, you know.
Yeah, that go.
On the picnic, on the come before, you know, and not long ago. On the was here and not long ago, and the technology on the phone make kind of brighter and sharper, but make sure.
My little peanut phone on me have now sure nothing about sex. You show me how to make call and watch YouTube and TikTok and YouTube and TikTok not talking about sex. And school not talking about sex. I'm not reading nothing in the book, down in the library not about sex. And I don't know what is sex.
Well, yes.
I don't know nothing about sex, mommy. And you just make me know the word sex, cause I never know that word. Okay.
Original, you know. Original, and I don't really think so your parents.
Original upon you, cause you feel you know everything, but you don't know nothing. So your brain a play tricks upon you.
Okay, but try not say get the head education, cause any belly coming at this, me not responsible.
Your phone a ring.
That me and here not going for. Oh.
Girl, I'm thinking about it for TV. Me not even, I say, me not have no excuse. The time I say I'm going to look for TV, no, I have no excuse. Today I'm a library day, and you can't tell me I'm going to learn. So my friend want different. Anyway, that's why I come. They must can let me can come out of the yard.
No, me I gonna do that now.
Tell him something. I don't know. Find one look excuse.
I don't really like to get in the middle of it on your
Girl, they're not getting in the middle or nothing.
God, yesterday you're my watch out banana train, girl. But you go so long and you never over to me. Me go over
No,
there.
me tell you, me dey go down a master and go buy fish.
My fish go.
Now cook yesterday. Oh, okay. Mommy.
She want to look for you?
Yeah,
I did. Oh.
Mommy.
Evening, Miss Charmian.
Evening, baby. All right.
Mommy. Trisha has something to tell you.
What do you mean by me have something to tell her? What do you? Me not have nothing to tell her.
You remember?
Eh?
How would this go on?
What?
You remember say I have something to tell Mommy?
What?
What's us?
Oh, we may go buy chicken.
You have to buy what?
Chicken.
You are cook now, Shani?
No, don't net told me I go buy papaya to cook already. So me don't ask you for that follow me.
So you buy fishy too?
Yeah.
Oh. Wanna win the lotto?
No, not really. We get one partner.
Eh, so me I go get 3 piece.
Me don't know. We
No,
don't come.
Mommy.
We don't come.
Let's see, them never hit me things fair. Them I try something me not do before. What's me and them, man? Me and them.
Yo, girl, see? That's a shot. How are you?
Tired.
No, girl, this is a shot because he's there. If you want from up there, so that tired more.
Yeah? Alright. May I go now?
Alright, but remember, so you must buy the Popeyes.
Girl, I'm getting money from my papa to Mommy.
And you don't have money.
You give me money already.
So you're not getting money again?
No.
Remember to buy the Popeyes, your mother have a proper excuse. And don't make your mother company where they look for you. God.
What? Nothing I can't look for you.
You just pop up this time.
So? Me not pop up, you call me.
No.
Nothing.
Good.
So what I want now?
They know say, they ain't get no money last time.
How's it talk? Oh, my belly. My belly. Oh, my God, my belly. You come out.
I hope
What?
I breathe.
Oh, God. My belly. Come out and I run up and down now, my belly.
Hope say I breathe.
You look like I breathe, me I breathe.
Me know you
I
know.
breathe, me I... Oh, my belly.
You breathe?
Yeah, me I breathe. Oh, God, my belly. You have to go... You have to go give me 100,000 about the baby because if you don't give me the money, my mother go kill me and then go send I go to prison.
Now if you carry that.
No, me can't carry. My mother go send I go to prison. Me all of 15.
You may go to prison. What?
Me am 15. Me go carry go to prison.
You tell me say you pass 18.
I trick me like trick you.
You see? Girl.
That's
Why you so
100,000. What
No, you're pregnant. No, you see, I see we are licking here.
You have to just give me 100,000 about the baby because
About which baby?
the
About which baby?
baby.
Come.
Make your head sick.
Come.
What we are do?
Bro. You must see things say me, I'm going to see what they think.
But you have to give me the people. The man now, the man breathing.
Lock up your mouth. Lock up your mouth. Go in. Alright,
You gonna give me money?
Go fine.
You gonna give me?
Yeah, you fine.
Alright. When me go get the money?
Lie, though.
With
Oh,
what?
if you tell me boy you pass 18.
Because me did like you. So when me go get
No,
the
you
money?
want to put me in a problem.
I just say you
Me
know
for
what? Come out
500.
and me hole. Yo. If I did that come out and I use protection, it was
And you.
I don't me.
You forgot when me there you say broken at me. You forgot when you tell me
I
that.
do what me did that make. I think it's serious.
Oh, me did you know say I drunk. When me find the money, me call you.
Alright.
I think no now can send man to prison. Girl, man. You have a good day, you come mash up me day. Yo.
Come in.
What?
Yeah, you alright?
Yeah. What? No.
Yeah, he's back, you know.
Can't get nothing.
I can't.
Money.
Must be not money. But we can go out with something to the rest.
Belly. Ah, wait. Ah, my belly at me.
How are you going to be able to do that?
Come here, something I'm belly. I run up and down. Come here, I'm pregnant.
There's no good thing that you don't like more, baby.
No. I want money to abort the baby.
You
Nah, carry.
Make your baby still. Make your baby tall.
No!
Long time there. What make no?
Can't carry baby young. You know me how much?
How much? Yo, bro.
Yo.
I pray, bro.
Yeah, the know.
Yeah, man, everything good.
Yeah, bro, I'm stressed out that.
I'm stressed now, no.
Bro, right? You know, me a deal on girl, dude. And now she come check me today and she tell me she's pregnant, bro.
Eh?
And me I tell her, I say, yeah, a long time more you a good something. She go tell me, say, no, she can't keep it because she has 14. Bigger problem that for me. And the girl come tell me, say she has 18, brother. No, me have to fine 100,000. 100,000 me have to fine for that shit, brother. Yeah, me at about 14 and 15 she said she be.
Yeah.
15. I know, you don't even know how to do that.
Yo.
Now, we check one bridge in a while ago for borrow 100,000. I your last money if you go check right now.
Alright, well, keep it, baby. Let me help your mind, him, dog.
I'm to keep it, baby, and she young, you know. She has 15.
That not say, bro. Me help her take care of
A
baby.
problem that me I put myself in a. Me done in a problem already. And more problem is me can keep it, baby. Me want the 100,000
Me
for
not have
that
it right
shit.
now, bro. Me not try to show you.
When you go have it.
Bro, keep it, baby. Make your baby come here. Me help your mind, baby. Just
No,
me
you
let
know,
you know.
that somebody me tell people say, and when baby born, they know it to be fine.
Bro, how far you come from, the different. You don't know that too.
Now for a reason that I make she understand she have to keep it.
Alright, you see, I don't want to keep it, baby. Check me within 2 days' time then.
2 days time.
Alright,
Alright, now check it. Bro, me that hurt me. You know like a migraine.
What's up?
Me that hurt my brother. Cause only this girl tell me say she 18 and now you tell me say you 15. So the girl pick me I have to get birth service ticket and I talk to them. Cause them can tell a wrong age. I know. Me check it still I said
Alright.
2 days. Yeah, tell you.
Oh God. Your money they know. They got about the baby.
Me not tell us, check me back, come back. Now get, come back. Why you want me to not stress and problem?
Oh, that's who you are. In the library now. So tell me something. You forget about me.
Where are mommy?
Me not see no Popeyes. How the Popeyes not come reach me?
Mommy? Rat near me.
Which part rat there in the house for name that?
What do you mean by a rat there? Rat there in every board, in every house. Rat near me. All the things me get to eat at the time. Cause the rat name the leg and the wing and me only name the tie.
So you couldn't even break off piece of the tiger meat. So tell me something.
Then piss bunny.
So then piss. Hey, so you craving that one go good. When rat piss pan it, you and yam it same way. When rat piss pan it, you and yam it same way.
Me name right now my belly a hurt me. Me I wonder if I hit my belly a hurt me.
Little girl, your belly a hot you?
Yeah.
Mine is something else to make your belly a hot you, you know.
Mommy, what for them my belly?
Mine a library work, you know. Mine a monopoly. I make your belly a hot you, you know.
Mommy, you want to go buy a pregnancy test?
What's here?
Me read about it in the book, in a magazine.
You know, so you know, me I go check for the Popeye box. Right now, me no. Let me check.
Mommy, come back.
Come
Shani's
back now.
gone with the box. So she gone do art and craft. Some homework business. Me don't know what she gone with the box gone do. Me don't know. Some business, some homework business. She take the box gone.
So right now the chicken, union piece of tie,
You did a sleep. You
and
never seen her sleep.
Shanice gone with the greasy box gone do.
Art and craft.
Mhm.
She wash out the box.
Me a really idiot. Me a really
Anyways.
idiot.
I can't turn up and talk about you already either. Me I got shocked by one juice. Cause my belly hurt me. Me don't know like a chicken.
Try know what make your belly hurt you, and you now bring a third person in this. Oh.
Can't believe say this a girl I want dash my first youth. Me not depend on that no father God. And what she a try do? How she want dash my first baby and I'm my first baby in a youth. Me not depend on the abortion thing with nobody this year. Lord.
Excuse me, young man. I mean, good day, first of all.
Yes, miss.
I mean, for coming into your thinking, you know. I mean, I walk past and hear your think. Why? Take my little advice. You go fast in your business, but take my little advice. You know, to deal with the abortion thing here, ain't no good. Plenty things can come from that.
I same thing me I said to miss. The same thing.
Cause she can lose her life. The young lady can lose her life, or maybe the abortion can mess up and she never have children again, or worse.
But miss, the girl is young and you know I'm preserve that and me don't even know my parents am go up to.
How you get caught with that? Young baby.
Me don't even know right now until to tell the truth. I swear me don't even know, miss.
No man, as bad as the situation is a life that, you know, is a life and is a blessing that God will find a way. Have faith, man. God will find a way, but don't abort it. Don't unalive the baby.
But miss, for me, you go look bad for me if you want to breed somebody that young. How you go look for my side?
But hey, you're done for not start both your side and her side now, you know. How not done doing the thing already. The baby is the innocent one. Remember, say, is a life. You're not really going to take an innocent life, and how you gonna live with that? How you gonna live with that? You're a young man now. Please God, you're gonna live to your 80s, 90s.
I swear, I'm gonna feel frig up now, say my first youth, and him or she gone. But you would have feel a way if you know something get locked up here on the edge. And that me I try run from.
Oh no, young man. You know, so the girl them nowadays dolly up themselves and change them clothes.
You know, say that going to cheat me. That going to cheat me.
Oh God, man.
Dolly thing there.
Yes. One of doing a check. If one of check for passport, check for passport. One of doing a check and then now go get in this situation.
You know what she cheat me to with? Tell me say she are 18 when she are 14.
14? Jaja. You know, say my daughter is 14. Oh God, me feel your pain, man.
Just it was she dress and move. They think she are 18 for real, but
oh God.
why I don't know what me I go do, auntie.
You have to go talk to your family. Talk to your parents, talk to your family. There must be some adult you can talk to and reason with, your pastor, anybody. But try find a way. Don't unalive the innocent life here.
Auntie.
Alright. May I walk on the shop. Alright.
Advice on the motive.
Alright. May I go pray for no. Oh, Judge, I may have a daughter 14.
Yo, you.
Good evening, young man.
Even
Me sorry if you come stopping in your conversation. Me hear right? Me hear you talk about abortion.
tell me talk about me. Yeah. Now let me know you just need somebody to talk to. Me and a girl talk about 2 weeks now. I'm just meet her, she tell me so she are 18. Right? And we are talk and we are do things and things go happen like she get pregnant now.
Jaja.
And me happy and I say yes. My first youth she go say me can't keep it because me got prison because she are 15.
Hey! What is not this? What is wrong with the young people? And no protection?
And it's not my fault, you know. She tell me say she are 18. I know she are about 15. And she want to dash my first youth.
Oh God. I must say abortion ladies. Enough for use protection, man. Enough for use protection. Me just meet a young guy down the lane with the same problem. Me no know it, what is not
Me
this.
even know what to do right now. Because she tell me she want to abort the baby.
No.
And make she keep it. And 2 things, you know, it make she keep it, me I got prison. And if we make she abort it, that's a bad thing. Because the baby innocent.
Exactly. The baby innocent and never asked for all this. But young man, it's better you face the consequences and take the life. Huh?
Abort the baby?
No! That is a life. That is a life. And let me tell you something about abortion. Not every one of them go smooth. The young lady can lose her life. Or them can mess it up. No! Or she can mess it up and she never have children again. Abortion is no easy thing.
Never know about that.
Yes. God will provide. My Joe will always provide.
I have money and problem. I look a girl. Tell me say she are 18.
Hey, that's what me always talk to my daughter about.
She not even. I want party me meet her. We're 15 years old do that them big party there. Lord God.
But on a young man, on a for check.
And the thing I whine, you see, when she whine for me, just hold me.
That's it. When I use a little head for think for the big head, and for think for the big head. And that catch you. But all me I go say, I don't know what you gonna do, but my little advice, don't do the abortion. It's a dangerous thing, and as you say, it's an innocent life. God will help you. Talk to your parents. That's why I'm not talk to big people.
I'm going to talk to her again.
You know what?
Because my first youth,
talk to your parents. That's what me tell him. Talk to contact. Talk to your pastor. But abortion, right? You know, with the way me see the day I go, me I go straight to my yard to talk to my daughter. Well, my daughter little still, and she look little, so nobody could mistake my child for 18. But I may say, go talk to somebody, your pastor, parents, somebody, but don't do the abortion.
I know. I'm going to prison. Right now.
Oh, God.
No bother with it. You feel like a Superman or Batman or Flash breed. How baby reaching that so fast? I feel me an idiot.
Right now the baby it come it not even come like a one in there, come like a three, come like a triple. Let me have one or so, and one under my belly bottom. Them a fighting there. It come like a football them a play. Or them a fight over food when me just eat. Queer. Funny belly.
What you take me for? Idiot.
See belly a grow.
That look like baby night.
What you mean? One there so, one there so, and one there so. Then little, then I'll farm yet to my belly big so. I remember say we have to do when me young. That I can get that baby then can dash way.
Oh, me understand.
So and when you happen to give me the money, you can go about the baby.
I know what kind of spot I put me in, you know, but Jaja, I don't have the money right now, you know. One of my friends them beg me 100,000 for deal with something. Like, I'm telling check me 2 days time, which is tomorrow if you're supposed to go and check me. I hear me there wait for right now.
Oh, so you have money for give your friend, give your friend 100,000. So what about me? As a matter of fact, yes, if me not get the money, me go carry gas station. Me go call police on you. Cause must be underage, you know. So if I can't find the money, give me for abort the belly. I go call police on you. So either you want to abort the baby or you want to lie down in the cell house. So which one you rather? You rather lie down in the cell or you rather lie down over your yard stress free? Which one you rather?
Jaja, look what kind of position I really put myself in. Me never really want to dash my baby, you know.
Well, you have to dash away.
Me never want.
Me young. Me not ready for no picnic yet.
Yo, here, how make I get the money?
And as soon as I draw the money, I draw the two of them. So that I got 200,000. You draw the 100 for your friend, and you draw the 200 for yourself and carry the money come and give me a year, babe. And you see, after everything, me I can go back again and do back the things. You hear? Later.
Alright, Jaja.
Girl, mama.
I didn't know me around here.
Are we else today? Yeah, let's hear you on over.
Well,
Girl, we there. We have good news for you.
that's good news.
Can get 200,000. Can get straight to the point.
Can't you like get $1,500? Oh, so I will make him get
I'm
200,000.
pregnant.
So you say me I have sex with a girl? You know you lie.
No, I don't let them pregnant today.
I was pregnant.
I feel one. I trick him and tell him I'm pregnant. I'm not pregnant.
So all you trick him and tell him say you're pregnant and him believe. A man can't believe if he never go there. Come straight forward. This one, and me know your mother, you know. Me know your little old mother where you can and tell all type of story. Me young, like you.
We do something, you know, but we
I know you're not virgin long time, you know.
But me
Can you see virgin not tell lie on library. Virgin tell lie on something else constructive. And you see virgin smart. Like you're not smart. Cause if you ask her 10 times 10 right now, you don't even know. 10.
20.
God help you. How you breathe? Speak with it. You breathe in real life or you fake the breathing?
My fake. So me and him do something one day when you give me money.
If you $1,500?
No. He give me big money. He give me $15,000. Me and him do something. When we do it, we say blood. So I'm a virginity. We do something now. Too many want more money and I get greedy because more I tell them I'm pregnant. And I tell them I'm young. I tell them I'm 14. I'm going to call police for him if he do not dash to the bed. So I'm going to pay for dash to the bed.
And him going to pay 200,000. In all?
No,
In dons?
Yeah.
In half in dons. Which baby I get dash for 200,000?
My doctor.
I don't even reach 100,000 for the abortion.
But I'm saying that my doctor say.
Oh, so much me I get out of it?
Oh, yes, me I give 50 out there.
So you take so long to consider like you never plan to give me none. But anyways, I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant, but then I feel to fake my pregnancy. It's been going on for about 2 weeks now.
And who you breed for?
Me don't really know him like that, you know, but then call him Tiger. I want him. Him nice.
For money, you not even know him like that.
At least he not give me $1,500.
I think give me big money too.
Oh, well, then call him Tiger.
Me, I first me hear the name there.
Yeah, and that me like the fact say I supposed to hear the name. So, I don't know, man, where I mix and mango with
So
any
can you
everybody.
get pregnant?
That is for me and him to know. But anyways, I will see you. Just hear the 50,000 come give me and I get the money and don't forget me. Later, me I go in.
So you did tea. So yeah, sleep on the place something. No man.
I say I breathe, you know. It just make me Josie.
My God. I something I can't check your fast still.
See it here. I'm doing last scene and just do it, do it. You need to do it. Let me cast my answer. I must say I better get 50 dash in.
I barely me I go dash me. Me happy because me glad say me not have to carry her to jail. And my mother won't put me out.
Make sure you say when you dash away, it dash you good.
Yes, me I go dash away very good. Me I go near me and full my belly. 2 hours when me the past the cemetery, me hear pitney. Hold on so. I saw me go on near me.
So you can't get nothing.
Let me go. You ever hear say people that have sex before abortion that will mash me up? I bet the people pitney wrong left me. Oh, so me go near me pitney now.
So you can't get
Later, you can get it later, man. When me go and come back, go buy it.
Later.
Alright. Alright, later me give.
You check me here.
Me go check you for
I
two.
see you. Even though dash your belly later, you can't get no front seeing me. Girl, I'm scared of them. It's a me a whole heap of option. You can go on. Hello?
How you want?
Me can't be so strong.
Nah, be strong. At 3 weeks and 4 days in a call me. And 1 day me not call you call. What happened?
Me there say if you could have me there ask if you could have come check me and extra rosker, you know?
What is her skirt?
Long time me not get a piece, you know?
Well, right now me hungry.
Check me, man.
And the something inside of my belly more worse than hungry cause sure him not stop roll.
Worm in your belly, me tell us if you
Which worm?
Eh?
Me pregnant. And that's why me a call you. If you tell us me pregnant. And all the call me a call you never want answer.
What this father baby come like me salt.
I mean, I know why you're plan, cause me not have no abortion plan inside my head. You want him Tiger? Make sure so you have love enough claws, and then can dig
Listen me now, man.
sharply.
Listen me now. You don't know if you're breathing. So
What you mean? A 6 test me take. When me a call if you send a picture of the 6 test, then you're never available. He said the person you've calling is reach voicemail back or the line busy. Well, right now my front busy.
How kind of sadness this father God? What this? Girl, just stop. Don't call my name for no belly right now. Cause right now me have a problem I got to.
Tiger!
Me no need
Tiger!
no problem.
Don't play with me now.
Girl,
Do not play with
no
me.
problem.
Cause me are not the right somebody if you play with.
Oh.
Let me tell you this. You
Yeah.
want him Tiger? Make sure say your clad and sharp. Watch where I go, dear.
For my phone, cause you think with me I eat. You two girl breed one time. This is not right.